Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic game tutorials how to add new layer. For example, I will create new file, click OK. Now in here we have a default background layer, and if you want to add new layer, you can click at these icons, create new layer, and you can set the names. We use the default names layer. You also can set for fill width, and I will change into transparency. This is for the size of the layer, and you can click OK to apply. Now you can draw, like we draw this ellipse, and you can set the color like into red. Then click select and then none. Now we have these two layers. This is for the layer and this is for the background. Okay, that's it for basic game tutorials how to add new layer. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.